Welcome to TCT Show, a world-leading event showcasing the latest innovations in additive manufacturing, 3D printing, design, and engineering technology. Here are 5 reasons why you should visit TCT this September. Be the first to see the latest innovations on the market. 2018 saw over 50 product launches live at the event. Interact with industry experts and get hands-on with new products. Get business-critical insights to feed back to your organization. Boost intelligence with access to a world-class multi-stage education program. The best exponents from across the globe are assembled by TCT's expert conference and content team. Find the inspiration needed to bring your design ideas closer to production reality. Every stage and every stand offers energy to fuel your creativity.
Meeting and connecting with people face to face is better than on the phone or email, and also you can see pretty well everybody you want to in a couple of days under the same roof.
Anything new with the additive manufacturing world, so it's sort of the place to be.
Whatever your design or manufacturing challenge, find insights, intelligence, and inspiration at the event for Design to Manufacturing Innovation.